A sculling support is used to regain or maintain balance when stuck sideways. Your paddle should be close to the water's surface and as flat to the water as you can get it. Your top elbow should rest on the side of your cockpit and be used as a pivot point. Your bottom arm should end up under your paddle on the backwards part of the stroke. You can accomplish the change in feather of the paddle by twisting your bottom wrist backwards and forwards. You should start off with little or no edge on the boat and just get used to the movement of the paddle and your body position. Once you feel comfortable, gradually increase the amount you are leaning over until you are off balance. This is when the sculling support really comes into play. Notice how my top arm is resting on top of the boat. The bigger you make the stroke, the more support it will give you.